And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on the Rocco Boy channel. Today we will install invisible car plate holders. I get those on Wish, so let's see how they work. First we need to remove plate and the old holder. It's secured with just 2 bolts, so it's easy. And now, when I see how this dirty is, I need to clean this. Probably this was never removed. Now, when it's, let's say, clean, we need to assemble holders. Holder came in 3 parts. Middle, which you secure to car, and top and bottom parts, which will hold the plate. Couple checks before final fixing. First, we will just add top part and secure it to car. Okay, let's fix this to the car. As you can see, it's easy. Just 1 bolt and that's it. Now let's do the same thing for the left side. Now I need to add bottom parts to secure the plate. And do the same thing on the left side. Okay, this is how it looks. Now let's do the front of the car. First, remove the old plate. Then remove the old plate holder. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning. Assembly. Fix it to the car. And do the same thing on the left side. Now let's install the part and secure it. As you can see, it's really hard to install those bolts, but it will look nice. Now repeat everything to the left side. And that's it. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and also click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Till next time, see you.